He is the very first player ever from Macedonia, and this is Pero Antic.
First things first, welcome to Atlanta.
Thank you very much. I'm happy to be part of the big family of Atlanta.
Antic for three. Wow. How about that? The big fella knocking in the tray.
I'm waking up to ash and dust. I wipe my brow and I sweat my rust.
Antic on the offensive board. And the foul.
He is as fun an athlete as I have ever covered in any sport. Every city we go to, Team Macedonia is out there supporting their man, the first Macedonian-born player to play in the NBA.
And a jam follow for Pero. Antic to get it in. Entry pass. Here's two. Hawks looking to win it on this play. There's the lob. Horford's got it. Puts it up. Yes! And the Hawks win!
That is a great pass.
Horford's hurt his shoulder, but Horford really hurting right now.
It's a bummer, man. This is professional sports, and we have other guys on the team, and they got an opportunity now to step up and play.
Pero Antic will have extended minutes now with the injury to Al Horford, and anytime he's had an opportunity, he has tried to make the most of it.
Antic controls. Lays it in.
Tough shot by Pero.
Checking out on the prison bus. This is it.
Here's Horford to the corner. Pero gets a look. Hits it! And Macedonia erupts! Whoa! Antic from the corner, and a good again. Three.
He was playing for Olympiacos. Matter of fact, Olympiacos won back-to-back EuroLeague titles when Antic was playing for him.
It's just his basketball IQ. Like, he just really knows how to play. He does a lot of small, subtle things. And then defensively, again, I think all year he's been a little bit underrated. He really understands how to use his body.
Takes a fire.